Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Smoke Stalk Seed in Grow a Garden Summer Camp Event Update Part 4. Okay, let's get into it guys. The new Summer Event Update Part 4 has been released in Grow a Garden. And when you go to the crafting bench, you will see new seed. It's called Smoke Stalk Seed. And to get this seed, you need to do crafting guys, and these are the items that you need. First you need the campfire egg, and then the godly sprinkler, and also the pepper seed. I've already owned three of them, but I still need to craft this campfire egg to make the smoke stalk seed. And you also need 15 million shekels. I think it's worth to try this smoke stalk seed guys, and it's not difficult to craft, but yeah, you need to craft this campfire egg first. And to craft the campfire egg, in my opinion, it's kind of difficult. Okay guys, and that's all about the smoke stalk seed and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.